Alright, hello again everyone. Little update. Took all the front clip off. Front clip wants a bit of welding. It's a bit rusty in places, but overall not too bad. That's all the things. Steering pump. The only pump that's seized, the only one that was seized, is the alternator. All the rest are free. So now we've got to start stripping the engine out. Take all the crap off it that we won't ever need. So I'll tell you what, I wouldn't want to get to the to get the distributor cap off. There's a screw here and a screw right down the back there. Don't know how the hell they get to that bloody thing. Anyway, we'll figure it out. But thankfully, to pull the engine out, just pull those bolts out. So we'll I'll squirt the exhaust bolts, leave them overnight, and get on with it. So, but all good. Apparently these carburetors aren't very good, so I'm more likely going to change it to a Weber, twin Weber, like I put on the old Rovers, the other Rovers that I've done. They work so well and nice, so easy to work on, and they just work so well. But anyway, there you go. Plan for soon. So right, if you want to keep up to date, hit the subscribe, hit like, and we'll carry on with the strip down. So cheers for now. See you on the next one.